Okay. Yeah. Good day, everyone. This is welcome to Baby Tech. Subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell, and make a comment. Anything you don't understand. So this valve port for an inverter air conditioner has damaged. So I'm using a Revit 22 valve port to replace it. And while pushing the liquid line, and I drill it, and I inserted this Revit 22 into it. Now what I want to do, I will now make a soldering to it to now stick it together, so we can be able to charge hydraulic into the system. So let's be going. That's what I put inside before. That's what I put inside before. Never else. That's all. So now, most of them don't know this one. I'm sure you understand. You can pause the video. I think I saw that everything.
I can pause it now.
Yeah.
I'll stop it or people say.
Stop. I think I saw that. So welcome. After you subscribe, we have professional tips in bulk. Like now, this Revit 10A has been condemned. Now we are using Revit 22 valve key to charge hydraulic into the system. That's how you do it. When this valve port is damaged, the spindle in this cannot be dispersed with the SCADA depressor. The SCADA depressor push this, it now damage the spindle. So the rubber in it and the spring has worn out. So that we can't use it. It has damaged. Let's cover it for permanent purpose. So this if we have covered it, we are not using it. So this